Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the document and immediately saving a backup. This protects you if something goes wrong. Next, use Find with Control plus F to jump to the exact text you want to remove so you don't miss duplicates. Make sure Show/Hide is on so you can see paragraphs, tabs, and trailing spaces. Once done, you'll know whether to delete visible characters or hidden formatting markers that affect layout. You now select the text to remove using Shift plus arrow keys for precision or drag with the mouse for larger blocks. This avoids accidental deletion. If the same phrase repeats, open Replace with Control plus H, enter the phrase in Find, leave Replace blank, and preview each hit before replacing. Make sure to clear formatting after deletion to remove leftover style attributes. Otherwise, spacing and style are. Finish by scanning the document in the navigation pane to confirm all instances are gone and that headings still flow correctly. If structure breaks, immediately use Undo or restore your backup copy. Make sure to save incremental versions going forward. If text still appears, inspect headers, footers, text boxes, and shapes because Word stores content outside the main body. One key tip: check those containers before assuming deletion failed. They often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.